In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust and customize paragraph spacing in your document. Whether you're working on a report, an essay, or just want to give your text a little breathing space, knowing how to set the correct line spacing can make a world of difference in the readability and overall appearance of your document. So, let's jump right into it. First, start by navigating to the Design tab on your ribbon menu. This tab is where you not only adjust your document's style, but also its layout and overall aesthetic. Locating the paragraph spacing option is straightforward. It's typically situated prominently, allowing for quick changes. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options to choose from. For today's purposes, select Double. As you do this, you'll notice that the spacing between each line of text in your document immediately changes. This double spacing can be particularly beneficial in academic settings or whenever you're required to make your text easy to read and mark. Now, if you're looking for a bit more control over your paragraph spacing, there's another method to consider. This alternative approach gives you the flexibility to target specific sections of your text. Start by highlighting the portion of your text you want to adjust. It's a great approach when you need variation within a document. Perhaps some parts need double spacing, while others remain single or have a different spacing altogether. With your text selected, head over to the Home tab in your ribbon menu. Here, you'll find a group labeled Paragraph. It contains a myriad of tools dedicated to text alignment and spacing adjustments. Take a look at the bottom right of this group, where you'll see a small arrow or icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the paragraph dialog box. Inside the dialog box, focus your attention on the section labeled Spacing. This is where the magic happens. Line spacing adjustments here provide so much more granularity. You'll find a drop-down menu under Line Spacing that lets you choose various spacing options. To achieve double spacing, simply select Double or type in 2.0. Once you've made your selection, you can press OK to apply. These methods allow you to efficiently manage and format your documents. Whether you're following a specific formatting guide or simply want to enhance your document's visual clarity. Understanding these spacing options will serve you well in countless applications. Remember, neatly spaced documents not only look professional, but also make reading easier for your audience. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring those formatting options.